Welcome to Safety Boy. Today in this video we are going to create a Simulink model for non-interacting systems. For that we are taking a system of two tanks which are connected in series, and a liquid is coming to tank 1 and from tank 1 it is going to tank 2, and we want to see the response of the liquid level of the tank 2 and the response of the liquid level of both the tanks individually. Okay, so for that here we will have to take the transfer functions for both the tanks. So we will open the Simulink library browser and we will search for the transfer function, and we are having two tanks, so we need to take out two transfer functions for both the tanks. So here we are having two transfer functions, and this is for tank 1 and second one too. Okay, now in my case I am having the transfer function of the tank 1 as 1 upon 0.5 s plus 1. So here I need to edit it, and I will replace the first one to the 0.5, and okay, it is now 1.0.5 s plus 1, and the second tank is having the transfer function same like the second one. Now we will connect these, and now we are connected in the series connection, and for the system we need to give it a feed which is our water or some fluid coming to the tank 1. Search by the name of step for the step change. Okay, so I will take it out. This is all. This is our feed. Okay, and now I'm connecting it to the model of two tanks, and to see the response of the system we need to add a scope here. SCOP scope. Here is the scope. I will take it out, take it here, connect it. Okay, and here I can write RES. Okay, so and it is all. Now I will run this model. Here you can say the system is ready, and if you wish to see the response of both the tanks individually, for that you will need to have three inputs in this response. Now you can attach two more inputs to this response, and if you want to see the response of the tank 1, you can copy it and connect it to the scope, and here you need to give one more feed. Sorry, copy and paste. Okay, this is the feed for the, and this is the tank 1 only, and for the tank 2 we will repeat with the tank 2. This is tank 2, and sorry, tank 2 on only, and one more feed for the connected to it. Now connected to the, okay, now run it and the results are ready. So here are the response of all the three systems individually.